Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Imran, and today I am going to tell you about narration. Narration in English. It is also known as direct and indirect speech in English. So let's start. Direct speech. In the English language, there are two ways of conveying what someone else had said: direct or quoted speech and indirect or reported speech. Indirect speech, we use quotation marks, while indirect speech is also known as reported speech. Changes for making indirect speech. How we can make a sentence into indirect speech. If it is indirect speech, so how we can change it into indirect speech? Omission of commas. We have to remove commas. Second one is use of that. We use that. Change of pronoun, as well as we change the tense and we change the adverb. For example, he said, I am playing. So it will be changed into he said that he was playing. So in this type of narration, we have added that, and the pronoun I is changed into he, and am is changed into was. So the sentence is, he said that he was playing. And inverted commas are also removed. Now take another example. He said, I did this exercise last night. So it will be changed in this way. He said that. We have to put that. He had done that exercise the previous night. So this is changed into that. And we have to change the situation as well. Last night will be changed into previous night. Now the next example. The inspector said, I am glad to be with you today. So it will be changed in this way. We have to put that. We have to remove commas, inverted commas, as well as we have to remove this comma. The inspector said that. We have to put that. He was. Am will be changed into was. He was glad to be with me that day. So in this way, you can change direct speech into indirect speech, and vice versa. So it was today's lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.